Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get cake mix in Paper Mario, the Thousand-Year Door. We'll focus on the simplest method, which involves a quick purchase. This item is essential for various recipes and quests, so knowing the most straightforward way to acquire it will save you time and effort. Let's dive into the details of how to get your hands on this valuable ingredient without any fuss. To get cake mix easily, you'll need 6 Pianta coins. These aren't your standard gold coins. They are a unique currency found in the game. You can earn Pianta coins by playing minigames at the Pianta Parlor, or you can exchange your regular gold coins for them. The exchange rate is 1 Pianta coin for 3 regular coins, making it a relatively inexpensive acquisition. Once you have your Pianta coins, make your way to the Pianta Parlor, located on the west side of Rogaport. Inside, you'll find a Boo character who manages the prizes. Simply talk to this Boo and select the cake mix from the available items. For just 6 Pianta coins, you can reliably obtain this ingredient, making it the most efficient and easy method in the game. Now that you have your cake mix, what's next? This versatile item is primarily used as an ingredient for cooking other dishes. For example, you can give it to Zest Tea, the chef in Rogaport, to create a tasty mousse cake, which restores 15 FP. Experiment with combining cake mix with other ingredients to discover new recipes and maximize its potential in your culinary adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.